Namaskar friends, Ashish Mittal again from Arsan. This is one set we have shown a lot of times to you in different fabrics in green, red and several other fabrics. This is called Dilwala set in our local language. You can see a heart shape in the middle and that's the local name for this, Dilwala set. And this is one of the highest selling unit and most liked design of ours. This one is a 3-1-1 along with a 3-seater divan and a beautiful center table with fully carved top. Yes, of course, you would need a glass on top of it. Being one of the most selling sets, this is also the highest affordable unit and best priced unit because we are already making this in numbers. You have seen similar sets in a lot of movies. Down south, there are so many movies that you have that showcase similar sets, and it can be in multiple colors also. It could be dark color, silver, grey, and rose gold, white, metallic gold, and antique gold. All these colors in this set you can get. This divan complements the set. This can be changed to a different design also. This particular design is liked by the client, so we have put it along with this unit. You can get it in different combinations: 3-1-1, 3-2-1, 3-2-2, 3-1-1 and divan, open back seti. Any ways you like. You can add side tables along with this if you want. So however you want it, we'll make that for you. Has a very nice fabric that goes with the interiors of your living room. For any change, you can contact us for the fabric change, color change, and we will do that for you as per your requirement. We allow 100% customization, so that's not an issue for us. And we deliver to your door. Altogether, a nice set with the quality of Arsan, all handcrafted, hand polished. I'm sure you'll like it. Thank you.